Hello, let's review the lesson today. How to pronounce some sounds in English. Okay, the first one is th, 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 throw, 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 thumb, 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 bath, bath, bath. Okay, the second sound is sh, 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 sheep, 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 shoes, 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 fish, fish, fish. And the last sound, ch, 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 chocolate, 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 beach, 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 kitchen, kitchen, kitchen. Okay, let's practice how to pronounce. Okay, remember your mouth position and how to write all the words we learned today. Nhớ là chúng mình học cách phát âm này thật là kỹ nha. Nhớ là khẩu hình miệng phải thật chuẩn nhá. Và đặc biệt là đừng quên học viết nữa nhá. Okay.